Hello students, welcome to online class. Today we will do exercise 16.2 of class 8. In this exercise we will discuss some divisibility rules. So let's start. First rule is divisibility by 2. That means how we get that a number is divisible by 2 or not. When a number is even, then we will say that this number is divisible by 2. For example, 84, 29, this number is even and this number is odd. So we will say that this number is divisible by 2, but this is odd, so this number will not be divisible by 2. So when a number is even, then definitely it will be divisible by 2. Next is divisibility by 3. How we get to know that a number is divisible by 3 or not? When sum of the number is divisible by 3. That means, for example, we take 283. Now find out its sum. 2 plus 8 plus 3. 8 and 2, 10 and plus 13. And here 13 is not divisible by 3. So we will say that this number is not divisible by 2. But if we take 282. Now find out its sum. 2 plus 8 plus 2. It will be equal to 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. So we can say that number 282 is divisible by 3. So to check either this number is divisible by 3 or not, what will we do? Just find out the sum of that given number and check it out either the sum is divisible by 3 or not. If yes, then definitely this number will be divisible by 3. Next is divisibility of 4. Next is to check the divisibility of 4. To check the divisibility by 4, what will we do? Just find out last 2 digits. Just check last 2 digits. Either last 2 digits are divisible by 4 or not. If yes, then definitely the complete number will be divisible by 4. Here last 2 number is 24 and 24 is divisible by 4. Then we will say that yes, this number is divisible by 4. One more example, 405. Here last 2 digits is 05 and 05 is not divisible by 4. Then we will say that no, this number is not divisible by 4. So to check either a number is divisible by 4 or not, what will we do? Just check last 2 digits is divisible by 4 or not. Next is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. This is very easy to check a number is divisible by 5 or not. For example, 525, 550. Just check the last number. If last number is 5 or 0, then definitely this number will be divisible by 5. Just check the last number. it will be 5 or 0. Then this number definitely divisible by 5. Next is divisible by 6. To find out a number is divisible by 6 or not, just find out divisibility by 2 or 3. If a number is divisible by 2 and as well as 3, then we will say that this number is divisible by 6. For example, 402. First of all, check it out. This number is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, because this is a even number and even number is always divisible by 2. Now find out either this number is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, because to check a number is divisible by 3, what will we do? Just find out the sum of this number. And sum of this number is 4 plus 0 plus 8 and it is equal to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Then we will say that yes, this number is divisible by 6. Next is divisible by 8. To check a number is divisible by 8 or not, just find out its last 3 digits. Last 3 digits. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then we will say that this number is definitely divided by 8. Here last 3 digits are 8, 8, 8, and this, so we can say that this number is divisible by 8. Next is divide by 9. Next is divide by 9. If sum of all the digit is divided by 9, then we'll say that this number is definitely divided by 9. Just find out sum of all digit. To check for 9, just find out sum of all digit. जैसे हमने 3 वाले में किया था, सेम वैसे ही 9 वाले में हमने क्या करना है, सभी का सम करना है. 3 वाले में हमने किया था सभी का सम 3 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए. 9 वाले में हम ऐसे ही करेंगे, सभी का सम 9 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए. नाउ चेक, फाइंड आउट इट्स सम. 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9, and sum is equal to 36, and 36 can be divided, 36 is divisible by 9. It will be equal to 4. Sum of all the digit of this number is divided by 9. So we can say that this number definitely divide by 9. Next is divide by 10. It is very easy. If last digit of any number is 0, last digit of any number is 0, then definitely this number will be divided by 10. Here last digit is 7, so it will not divide by 10. Last rule is divide by 11. Last rule is divide by 11. To check a number is divided by 11 or not, what will we do? Just find out subtraction of even position number and odd position number. And if subtraction, the final answer is either 0 or 11, 22. That means if subtraction is divided by 11, then we will say that this number can be divided by 11. For example, if we take a number 771 561, odd position number 7, this is first position, second, third, so odd position number will be 716. Find out the subtraction of odd position number and even position number. So odd position number is 1, 7, 5 and 1. Sum that subtract sum of even position number. Don't get confused in this rule. Find out subtraction of what? Subtraction of addition of odd position number and even position number. First of all, find out odd position number 1, 7, 5 and 1. Do the sum. Then even position number 7, 1 and 5. Do the sum. After that, find out the subtraction. 14 minus 14. Then this is 0. If the final answer is 0 or multiple of 11, that means 11, 22, 33 and so on, then we will say that this number can be divided by 11. So this is the rule of divide by 11. Okay.